What's up, guys? Welcome to today's YouTube video. This is the finished product of the Chandler property. This one came out absolutely incredible. Very happy with how everything turned out. It was about $75,000 spent. Purchased this property for $435,000 in October. It appraised at $615,000, which is awesome to hear, and it's pretty much exactly what we underwrote it at. 2,123 square feet, no HOA, single story, pool in the backyard, full interior and exterior renovation. The cool thing about this property is it was really well taken care of, and a lot of the high ticket items like the window, the roof, and the AC are all relatively new. So the dual pane windows saved us quite a bit of money and just makes it look so much better. We got the can lights throughout. I believe there's 32 additional can lights added to this property, which is actually mind-blowing when you think about it, but as you walk through, you'll probably notice it. So first things first is this living area right here. It's a drop down. We left it at that. We didn't want to fill it in. I like it a lot. I kind of think it separates the room, this specific living room, with the dining room. There used to be a wall cutting off the kitchen with this area right here, and it just completely closed off this entire kitchen area. It was only a little 36-inch doorway right here. Super excited about this property right here. Just bought this today. Chandler, Arizona, no HOA with a pool. I'm gonna be making this a 4-bedroom. I already got some notes for the demo guys here. This is gonna be, we're gonna add a closet, add a door here. Gonna open up this kitchen a little bit, hopefully be able to tear down this wall right here, and then come have a look at this backyard. Pool looks good. We're gonna obviously put some money into the backyard landscaping here, all new kitchen. Dual pane windows, which is awesome. And then you have nice primary bedroom over here. This is in like really good shape, just outdated. Really nice looking shower too, but I think at this price point I'm going to list it at, it's going to need a new shower as well. But now that we opened it up, you get sunlight from both sides, and it just makes the entire room look a lot brighter. Before, the kitchen used to be really dark at certain times of the day, but now it just natural light flows through all windows here. Cool little seating area too, which is nice. My mom actually helped us reupholster that. Kitchen, backsplash floor to ceiling here. I went with the floating shelves. I think it's great for decoration. Slow close cabinets. We did go the natural oak cabinets on the island. And waterfall on both sides. This was an addition we did. This wasn't an island before, so we kind of redid the kitchen a little bit. We did the slide-in range with no back. I think it looks a lot better. Went with the high-end appliance package as well, including a fridge here. And pantry right here. We left all the doors the same, so it saved us a couple grand. They were in good shape anyways. Oh yeah, let's show them the backyard. So backyard, got the pool, got the turf, got a cool seating area. Got the string lights. Here's another seating area. We didn't want to add a TV or any entertainment over here. We just kind of wanted it to be like a nice, cozy seating area where it's right by the kitchen. 2 seats right here. And then we did go an extra dining room nook table. Down the hallway, more can lights. We'll go to primary first. Nice large primary bedroom. Added can lights here as well. You're not going to be short of any light in this house. We did can lights in the closet as well. And then, of course, I always like to do can lights in the showers. Just makes it appeal a lot better when you go to list the property, or makes it look a lot better. More visibility if, I don't know what I'm saying here, but wait, we need a toilet paper holder? We installed this one.
No, for the other bathroom.
Oh, that's right. Bathroom over here. I wish the one thing we did was go champagne bronze, which we can eventually do if we really wanted to. Champagne bronze on the kitchen faucets, but for now it's brushed nickel. Cool little hallway, floating shelves. I really like floating shelves. We ran backsplash here, which I think looks great. You turn that corner, and this is kind of the focal point for the entire hallway. You come over here, a bedroom, and then you have the queen bedroom over here. Nice little guest bedroom. And then the guest bathroom, infinity niche, which I've been doing a lot. This one turns on with the fan, so we're not going to leave it on. But yeah, this came out great. I'm loving the tile color here. Overall, though, very happy with this one. It's a beautiful property. The LVP came out really good too. Went with a little bit more of an expensive LVP. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. If you guys are interested in buying or selling in the Arizona area and want to list your house, I will help you get top dollar for it, give you a great price as well in terms of listing it for you. So message me and email me down below. Thank you guys.